eyeshadow base. A little bit of for better blending, just skin color eyeshadow. This one is from Ethereal Cosmetics, Ephemeral, also NARS. This is a blush brush. I use it because I just don't like to use small blending brush for putting some solid color on my whole eyelid. Cover up everything and then blending would be much better. Sigma brush. Now I'm using this orange color. It's from Sunset palette from Slick. Taking a little bit on just the flat. What we're doing is putting in the outer corner our flat edge and just going in the rainbow motion and then drag it out a little bit to elongate the outer corner. When we have a thinner layer as our transition, we use the same color, the same brush, same flat use, and now we're putting it in the eye crease and making it brighter. Yeah, this is how it looks. It's very easy. And now I'm doing the same on the other lid. There it is. Upper lid transition color done. Now for the lower lid, we use the same brush, put it flat to the eye in the outer corner, even a little bit out there, just to connect with the upper eyeshadow, upper lid eyeshadow. And here we're not using any pressure because if your hands are shaky like mine, the eye brush will end up in your eye, which happened to me. The brush is E25 if you need. This was a really cool enchanted forest set or something like this. It comes with all the eye brushes that you can need and with the really cute makeup bag. Now for the outer corner, to darken it out, I use this woody brownish color. It's same set, E40 tapered blending brush. Now what I do is I do one tap, two taps. This is from the same Sunset palette from Slick. I have my shadow on the brush. I just put it just outside the outer corner, a little bit upwards, like this, with several motions just to see what I'm doing, because it can end up muddy really fast. No brushing motions because it will get muddy. Now we did the upper outer corner. Now we need to do the lower outer corner, and from the same set, E65 small angle. I use same woody brown color, put the brush in the angle, the longer bristles on the outer side and the shorter one in the inner side, almost on the corner, a little bit out there, and as close to my eyelashes as possible, and almost tapping the eyeshadow on my lid, not dragging it. And with the same brush, same color payoff on the other side. You don't need much for your outer corners. Here I'm dragging a little bit, just to use what I have. That's all. This green color is almost down just because of this makeup. Same set, E55 eye shading, last bit green color that is left. It's metallic grayish green. This brush gives a lot of payoff. Just dragging it twice and then gently dragging it on my... I'm just connecting. I'm not dragging green color on my outer color. Yep. E30 pencil. From the same palette, this ivory color. 2 strokes. Because this palette doesn't have much of a payoff, I'm taking quite a bit. If you use Vizard or something like this, you need much less, maybe 1 tap in the eyeshadow. And I'm putting just in my inner corner with a full brush, and then when almost all the color is already in my inner corner, I just drag it a bit until I connected with our orange color. That's my eyeshadow done. Mascara. I like this one. It's Korean brand. I don't know this brand very much. I just got on a Korean site that I order all my skincare from, and I searched for micro cara or micro mascara. I like really small ones because I tend to poke my eyes out with the bigger ones, and I don't like spider lashes, so I do it fast, and if it comes off, like, maybe you can see this, it's not colored very well, I just don't care about it. I prefer my lashes thin and not spider-like. So that's that. Also, for this specific eye look and all of the gentler looks, I use the brown color. I use eye pencil as well. This one is from Essence. It's an olive hue, 36 I think. Go in my eyes. This one is done. That's a complete eye look, but we want a complete look. Orangish red color on the lips. I don't have a really good technique for lip color. I just try to do my best. So that's all. That's my usual makeup scheme. That's how I do my eyes, do my lips. Just play with colors. Thank you so much. Bye bye.